Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel not harden. To achieve a perfectly soft caramel, the key is to prevent sugar crystallization. Adding a small amount of acid, such as lemon juice or cream of tartar, helps break down sugar molecules. Additionally, incorporating corn syrup or glucose into your recipe acts as an interfering agent, stopping sugar crystals from forming. Remember, once your sugar mixture starts boiling, resist the urge to stir it. The right ingredients are crucial for soft caramel. Water is essential for dissolving the sugar completely and preventing it from burning too quickly. Corn syrup, or glucose, is a secret weapon. It contains different sugars that interfere with the sucrose molecules, making it difficult for them to bond and form hard crystals. Finally, butter and heavy cream are added at the end to emulsify the mixture, creating that wonderfully smooth, chewy texture we all love. Achieving the perfect soft caramel involves precise cooking. Combine your sugar, water, and corn syrup in a heavy-bottomed pot and cook over medium heat without stirring. Once the mixture reaches 320 degrees Fahrenheit, immediately remove it from the heat. Carefully and slowly whisk in your warmed heavy cream, then add the butter and a pinch of salt. Stir gently until everything is beautifully combined and smooth. Once your delicious soft caramel has cooled, store it in an airtight container. It will stay wonderfully soft and fresh at room temperature for up to 2 weeks, or you can refrigerate it for even longer. If it stiffens slightly, a quick warm-up in the microwave or a double boiler will bring it back to its perfect consistency. Remember to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof containers for your meal prep, as well as other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.